Arrow. Yes. This is, in fact, a Dragon Ball Z hat. The best shit you'll ever watch. And this is not a family member on my shirt. No. It is me posing really sexy. Look at that shit. Fresh. Now, do you hear the monsters in here? I hear them. And it's not my kind. No. And instead it's you, the humans. Take a look. Here. We have the first monster. And here. Oh yeah. Quite embarrassing. Yes. That is some crazy fucking shit. The cat. Oh my god, look at the cat in the window. I seen it move. Did you guys see that shit? He got away this time. But I promise, I'm gonna get that motherfucker. And on that note, I'm out. Got me one of these bad boys. Who can do that? Not very many wolves. I'm a fucking unique motherfucker. Fuck y'all. One more.